what's up? I'm good. I'm good. You're the cat guy. Well, I'm gonna be honest with you. Never really liked a cat in the first place. I'm a bit slightly happy to hear that. So, well, it's a bit. So just slightly happy. What am I doing? I'm just solving a giant Rubik's Cube. I mean, I'm pretty sure that's obvious. Normal people don't do this. Okay. That's okay. I could have, hear me out, that's a daisy by the way. You're supposed to get that when you're solving the Rubik's Cube. I don't think you would know that because you've never solved one in your entire life. I don't think, it's like a thing where it's either you can do it or you can't do it. You know what I'm saying? It's either you can do it or you can't. The white is coming together. Alright. The amount of time, realistically, the amount of time that I've spent solving Rubik's Cube in the past 24 hours, green and red. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Should put me on a list somewhere. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my god. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. I've been saying 1, 2, 3, 4 in my sleep as if I were in the military. Cool. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The bass is coming quite along. Something easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that completes the base. Right? Got that. Move on to the second layer. Hear me out. I could have. Actually, it would have been easier, really, to just go with a small cube. I've never solved a small cube before. But I thought that this should, you know, like baptism by fire type of situation, just kind of jump into it. Alright, we need it to go over there, so we put it. Yeah. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Baptism by fire, definitely. I hope this inspires you. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. To solve your own Rubik's Cube. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second layer done. Alright, now on to the top. The Rubik's Cube has actually taught me that it doesn't matter. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn. If it looks like you're doing the wrong thing, if you know that you're doing the right thing, just continue. And eventually, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn. Bro. 1, 2, 3, 4, turn. Come on, give me the cross. Alright, we got the cross. Okay, this lines up. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. It doesn't. Okay, fine. One right there, one right there. So now it's up, left, down, left, up, 2 times down. And then now it should line up. It does. Alright, see there? Orange. The top part line up. Top middle line up. So this is in the right space. This is not in the right space. This is not in the right space. It's not, this is no problem. So I'm not trying to go for a personal best. Personal best was 10 minutes. I'm not even looking at the time to see if it's that, because then I'm going to be stressed out. Right space, right space, right space, right space. God is good. And then now turn it upside down. It's just 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got that. Turn it. This is the part where if you turn the whole cube, you'll mess up everything. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you wouldn't even know it. So this, my friends, so yes, I have a cube. So how's your mother?